Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are reviewing FLEXI LED lighting system. So for FLEXI leashes sizes S to large. Now you can use this with other leashes as well. It doesn't have to be FLEXI, but that's just what they recommend. So let's go ahead and see how this looks here. So you would peel this back, peel this tape off, and connect it on the side of your leash. And then, yeah, you pretty much just mount it up on to the side, however you want to have it. There's different options that you could put this on, different ways, but we're just showing you guys what it looks like. We actually have a leash, and we've had ours for a very long time. It actually fell off and broke. That's why we got the second one. We loved it so much. And you open this up to put batteries inside here. So let's go ahead and open this up. So to open this up, you just press right here lightly, and then press right here lightly, and that pops this like that, and then you put the batteries on the top. So we're going to remember how we did this. Takes 2 AAA batteries. We're going to go ahead, place this in. But yeah, like I said, we absolutely love this. And right now, our parents-in-law have our Sheltie dog, or else I'd show you our old one. So now make sure you get this on here. So putting this on, I recommend putting this part down in first, and then you can go ahead and place this over, pop this back in place like this, and it's good to go. And there you go. Now you have the light. So it's nice, simple, and they work amazing. Well worth it. Oh, and silly me, they actually provided batteries. So the batteries were underneath here. I didn't even know that, so we put our own in, but this one actually did provide batteries. That's funny.